Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're in a pivot table on Microsoft Excel and you would like to filter your data by a date range, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's jump in. We're going to scroll down now and I've got this pivot table over here on the right hand side. I'm just going to center it for you. And what we're going to do is, this is our date range. And let's say we just want to view 7 days from the 6th of September. Now, on this row label over here, there's either an arrow or a filter item. We're going to click on that. And here you're going to look for date filters and you are going to look for between. Now, this will create a range. So we're going to keep this option over here in between. All right, and then the first date is your starting date, the start of your range. Okay, so we're in September and we're going to choose the 6th of September. We want to show that, and this over here is our end date. Again, we're going to look for September and we're looking for 7 days, and that's it. We're going to click OK. Now you can see on our pivot table that only that date range is being viewed. Now what you can do again is go in here and you can just tap on clear filters and your filter will be cleared. You'll be able to see the rest of your data range. Now, if this video was a helpful guide, please show your support by dropping us a like, and we will see you in another awesome video. Cheers.